Jantar Mantar is one of the earliest astronomical observatory built in Jaipur. Today, I'm taking all of you on a tour with Madan and Amit.
The Jaipur Astronomical Observatory, built in 1728 by the king whose name is Jai Singh. Jai Singh he liked astronomy, that's why he built five, but Jaipur Observatory best and biggest. And since 2010 it is a World Heritage Site. Those days it is used for astronomical calculation, but this instrument is still in use for the astrological students. The student will come here for do the practical examinations, and all instrument is still working condition with the sunlights.
Namaste. Welcome Jaipur city and the very popular monument and called the Jantar Mantar. So now we are at Jantar Mantar. Jantar, what is the meaning of the Jantar Mantar? Jantar means instrument, Mantar means calculation. Calculation about the star, planets and the heavenly bodies effect. Most of the people they believe in horoscope. Horoscope is very important. And anybody wants to make the horoscope, we need three things. Which city you born, time, date, and after make horoscope. So this type of observatory, India have 5 observatories. Ujjain, Banaras, Mathura, Delhi, Jaipur. But well preserved and maintained this observatory. So here the some instrument, by the help of the instrument, we get Jaipur local time, locate the pole star position, which direction sun, northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, any baby born with zodiac sign today. So Jantar Mantar found by the Maharaja, Jaipur city founder Maharaja Jai. Jai was founder of this observatory. And the Maharaja was a great astrologer. So they found the observatory. Observatory based on sun. So all instrument working the sunny day. By the help of the instrument we get Jaipur local time and other. So now we are at the front of Laghu Samrat Yantra. Hindi called the Laghu Samrat Yantra. You can see the Laghu Samrat Yantra. So by the help of the instrument we get Jaipur local time. Whole world we get GMT time from England. But this is not possible. Every day we calculate India and England difference. So we decide the Indian geographical point is Allahabad and the Prayagraj. So Allahabad is the first sunrises in India. So by the help of the small sundial we get Jaipur local time, especially Jaipur local time, and plus aid today difference 19 minutes. And you can see the 19 minutes. And this difference we get from Allahabad because the first sunrise in India, Allahabad. So Allahabad to Jaipur difference 19 minutes. So you can see this is a small sundial. So by the help of the meridian wall shadow, this is meridian wall shadow. So by the help of the meridian wall shadow, we get Jaipur local time. Every city different time. Plus 8 is today difference and we get Indian Standard Time. How to be work? You can see each block 1 hour. You can see 1 hour is divided 4 times 15 minutes. So 15, 30, 45 and this 60 minutes. And the 15 minute divided 3 times 5 minutes. So 5, 10, 15. And the 5 minute divided 1 minute. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the 1 minute divided 20 seconds. So by the help of the instrument, we get 20-second accuracy of the timing Jaipur local time. Plus 8 to the difference. So by the help of the sundial, we get Jaipur local time. So morning time working this side because 6 o'clock this side. 6 o'clock sunrise in the summer time. 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8, 9, 10, 11. And meridian wall is 12 o'clock. And after the 12 o'clock and the shadow will be moved this side. So you can see 1 o'clock, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So sunrise to sunset.
The sundial, which is give us the time. This is sundial, which is give us the time, local time of this city. If you want to have a Indian watches time, we have to add 19 minutes more, which is written on the board. So now the Shara is
6
coming here.
o'clock,
This
7,
is
8,
10,
9,
15,
10.
30, 45, 50, 1, 2,
10
3,
o'clock,
4, 54,
15,
It is tell us now it's 10:54. This is solar time according to sun position. 10:54. We have to need 19 minutes more. So 54 and 19 will be 11:13. Check your watch now. 11:13 or 11:12 I have exact. But without sun, no function. Now sun is gone. No sun, no fun.
Okay, name of the instrument called the Dhruv Darshak Pattika Yantra. They are written in Hindi, Dhruv Darshak Pattika Yantra. So by the help of the instrument, we get what is the position of the sun. Now we have the Google, now we have the compass. So by the Google and the compass, very easy to find out the location. But imagine 290-year-old, we don't have Google, we don't have compass. So how do we find out the location? So in the night time, we have to put the telescope in 8 o'clock. So by the help of the telescope, and after we get what is the position of the sun, pole star position. Pole star also fixed in the north. So you can see the north, south, east, west. So 290-year-old compass. So this one instrument work in the night time. So we get what is the position of pole star. And the north pole star can't move, other stars moving. So this instrument was fixed. So by the help of the instrument, we get what is the position of the pole star. You can see the name of the instrument, the Yantra Raj. Yantra means instrument and the Raj means Raja, king of the instrument. So you can see 360-degree hemisphere globe and the whole is Jaipur and hold down the line. So this is equator line. Equator line, Jaipur and the pole star. So in the night time, fix the telescope instrument moving in the north side, and after we get what is the position of 27 stars. So for the horoscope, we need the proper stars position. So by the help of the instrument, we get stars position, 27 stars position. Chakra Yantra. So by the help of the instrument, we get 21st of March, 23rd of September, sun on the equinox. So during the day, and you can see here the fixed rod angle shadow, and by the help of the shadow, we get what is the inclination of the sun. So northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere, 360-degree hemisphere. So by the help of the rod angle shadow, after we get what is the inclination of the sun 2 days, 21st of March and 23rd of September. But still this instrument is not working. Name of the instrument, Nadi Valya Yantra. So by the help of the Nadi Valya Yantra, we get what is the position of the sun. Sun 6 months working in the northern hemisphere and the 6 months working in the southern hemisphere. But 2 days, 21st of March and 23rd of September, sun on equinox. So by the help of the instrument, we get what is the position of the sun. So sun 6 months working in the northern hemisphere, the 6 months working in the southern hemisphere. So by the help of the rod angle shadow. So when the sun will become, and by the help of the rod angle shadow, we get position of the sun. So 6 months working this side and the 6 months working other side. So by the help of the instrument, we get what is the position of the sun and what is the position of the Jaipur local solar time. Name of the instrument, you can see first, Jay Prakash Yantra. Jay was founder, Prakash means sunlight, and the Yantra means instrument. So by the help of the instrument, we get any baby born with zodiac sign today. Aries, Taurus, Cancer, Gemini, Scorpio, Libra, Sagittarius, Capricorn. So the instrument divided A part and the missing part over there, B part. If we join to A and the B part and just looking like a globe. So by the help of the instrument, we get any baby born with zodiac sign today. By the help of the rod angle shadow, we can see, and the whole shadow and the sun will become, and the shadow moving in the particular house, zodiac house, Aries, Taurus, Cancer, Gemini, Scorpio, Libra. So any baby born today, zodiac sign is Libra, and after make horoscope. So 1 hour working this side and 1 hour working that side, and if you join together, just looking like a globe. And the why they divided 2 part, if together. So how come it's possible, especially for the deep study? So Maharaj divided 2 part, A part and the B part. So 1 hour working this side and 1 hour working that side. So by the help of the instrument, we get any baby born with zodiac sign today. But any baby born in the night time, how come it's possible we make the horoscope? So very easy. That side the 12 zodiac houses. Aries, Taurus, Cancer, Gemini, Scorpio, Libra, Sagittarius, Capricorn. If we join together, all just looking like a globe. Please. Here the 12 zodiac sign, and you can see number 1, the Scorpio. And the Rasi Valle Yantri. So by the help of the instruments, we get any baby born in the night time. Because in the daytime, all instruments working in the sunny day, but no sun, no function. So how come it's possible any baby born in the night time? So any baby born in the night time, we have the good information. So astrologer will become here. So by the help of the degree, and you can see that every instrument has the degrees. You can see and numbers. Some of the numbers and some of the degrees. So by the help of the degree and by the help of the ascendants, and after make horoscope. Ascendants every 2 hours change. So by the help of the instrument we get any baby born in the night time, so astrology will become here and after make the horoscope. So these are the instruments especially making the horoscope. And all instruments situated different angles. If we join together all just looking like a globe. Vahat Samrat Yant. You can see Vahat Samrat Yant. Actually Maharaja was not satisfied by the small sundial. Small sundial because the accuracy of timing 20 seconds, and this is 10 times bigger and the more accurate, and here the accuracy of timing 2 seconds more perfect. As per Guinness Book World Record, biggest sundial in the world, and the more accurate and the accuracy of timing 2 seconds. So you can see similar same instrument, but each block 15 minutes. So by the help of the instrument we get Jaipur local solar time and the accuracy of timing 2 seconds more perfect. In the June and the July, many astrologers gather here and they fix the flag top over there. And by the help of the instrument, we get what is the position of the sun. And the same, we get what is the position of the monsoon. So, especially for the together all, and they get what is the information about the forecast, about the rain and predict about the monsoon position. Good or bad. 99% information correct. So as per Guinness Book World Record, biggest sundial in the world. Because reason Maharaja was not satisfied by the small sundial. So Maharaja found the 10 times bigger and the more accurate. And we making the lunar calendar from here. So while they're making the lunar calendar, and the most important role, biggest sundial.
This is, we call it Rama instruments. Ram Yantra divided in 2 parts, parts A, other side is part B. With the shadow of the pole here we can find the altitude. The shadow is falling here. The numbers start from 0 to 45 like this, and 45 to 90 there. The shadow is falling here. So right here is 55, 6, 7. 57 degree. This is angle between sun and Jaipur, 57 degree, it's like this. Highest angle 90, that's not possible in Jaipur city, because Jaipur is city which is not situated on the equator. If you are on equator or Tropic of Cancer, there will be 90 degree. But Earth is rotated, that's why this shadow will fall is here in the missing. We have to go other sides. If they are missing part, we have to come. The Jai Singh who was built this observatory, he was himself a great astronomer. And he was studied then he was his 8-year-old. Then he was his 8-year-old, he passionate about the astronomy. He was started to read the books. And then he was want to build these kind of instruments. They were lived in Amer. Amer is city which is surrounded by the hills. There we don't have enough place for this instrument. That's why he changed his capital, Amer to Jaipur, just for build these observatory. And he was sent some scholar around the worlds and in India also to take the information. Then he found the information are in different languages. That's why he learned 17 languages also to build these instruments. He can speak 17 languages.